How to add music to Inshot. So Inshot, it's editing app for the videos where you can able to edit some videos using your phone. So the first what you need to do, we need to go and open Inshot here. So here, once you open Inshot, we can see this bar which has video, photo, or collage. So we're gonna choose video here. And here you can pick up any video that you have just in order to edit the video itself. So for example, we go and pick up this video here and click on next. Here we got the video where we can edit. The thing is, we're gonna click on music here. We have music, effects, or record. Even we can record ourselves in the video instead of adding voiceover or adding music. So we're gonna click on music here once again. Here in the first option, as you can see, we got featured. So that means we can pick up or add any music that we can see here from the app itself. Also, we can click on my music and choose any of these that comes from your device. Also, you can click on effects and add some effects such as transition, games, and so on and so forth. So that's how you can able to add music to InShot editing app. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.